Hi, here we are comparing the listed pesticides and agrochemical industries with their net profit from the financial year 2012 to the financial year 2023. We can see from the chart the EPL is the top, EPL standing at the top with 566 crores as its net profit, and Bayer CropScience the second, Rallis third. Let's see whether this same position continues as year progresses. Mm, the Bayer CropScience the moved up in financial 13, but again it's come back to second position. As year progressing, the peer industry is moving up and occupied the second position and consistently maintain its second position. So we can see again Bayer Crops. So there is much competition between Bayer Crop Science and PA Industries. Okay, yeah, in financial year FY23, the PA Industries uh, they replace the Bayer Crop Science. So thank you for watching this video. If you like, please subscribe, like, and share. Please let me know your inputs from through the comments. Thank you.